Chiaragire Ikomi omwancho murigireria chiabona mugoroba bwegetaseni Ndizi TV asentunde ndenandengo koaliga nonyara ko bagosanga amunanche Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchire yubenganya ko bagagwateka korubaga kete goikira chinga kibuna karibu sana unyara ko bagwesemera kwemanya amange gati iyabo murayibwense Dr. William Ruto nigo akagire goikira na ase county Nyamira goikirania emeroberi ya magendero angati yali togena tokobatu kubwateria omugoroba obono ande onsi asogendrete koba gukubwatiritira ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi ngoira nande asekero getali getambe ritunyara koba togosemania na kumanya ninganyare koba gagwateka. Facebook gwetera sensemelia ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo gwetera sensemelia YouTube buna Ndizi TV News karibu sana onyare koba gwekwema ya Chinsa Ikomi igaguchaka kurwa se county ya Nyamira anene kurwa sensemo ya Amayia se Somo DCC anene bwensemo ya Nyamira South Florence Obunga anyare ko bagako gokera egetambo kireki anyare ko kuimukiwa amuna banyanyimbo kurwa sensemo ya Amayia na kweneke buna banyare ko bakora obonyabi eliyo kubabeka byara abantu bonsi bali bagene to bakwengana konia amarua aliataganirie anene asensemeyo okwana kurwa ase egetaseni kebanyanyimbo Nyamira nigo Florence atebiringe ngati bitambo kero anene abateneneri sabo bisabe serikali bagene to bakwira ime county Nyamira kwena kiabuna amarua yo anyale ko bago tukuterwale anene kurwa sensemo eyo.
Madam Obunga Florence, the Deputy County Commissioner Nyamira South. Jana usiku tulifanya operation ya pombe kwa area ya Nyamira Division, West Mugrango location, Bomabacho sublocation, Monga Village. Tulipata ujumbe kutoka kwa wananchi ya kwamba kulikuwa na mtu mwenye alikuwa anapika pombe. So acting on that intelligence tulipanga operation mzuri na tukaenda huko usiku saa 9. Tulipata pombe 85 liters of changa. Pia tukapata 640 liters of kangara. Na pia tulimwaga 960 liters of kangara. Pia tulichukua apparatus ya kufanya hiyo distillation apparatus tulipata katika hiyo boma. Pia ningependa kuongezea ya kwamba huyu mama Lilian ameshikwa mara nyingi sana. Tutatafuta zile files zake za zamani tuongezee ili hii kesi iwe na uzito kabisa. La sivyo ningependa kushukuru wananchi wetu na sana sana police officers wetu kwa vile hii operation tulianza kitu saa 2 usiku. Tulikuwa tumetuma askari wafanye wrecking alafu tukaingia baadaye saa 9 ya usiku. It was very successful and I want to appreciate our
Tigarete ime county ya Nyamira etaro yaye omurayibwense Dr. William Ruto ritkoriangio gochia soro gongorwa Gusii anene county ya Nyamira nigo erengete ko enekiabuna amagendro anyare ko bagwikirani ime county eyo gatiabo ogochakwa bukwagachwa uwechi nyomba cherigo lirike na boigo anene chipara chinyingere chichiro echinyara ko bachikwagachwa asenchire bwikirano gukwana korwa ase skuru ya abaiseke ya Sironga omwamsi anene we ward ya Bogichora George Murara niganyare ko bakwenekeria abamenyi be county ya Nyamira banyare ko bagwikirana ritkoriangyo elinde banyare ko bakomwarigania William Ruto gochia se county eyo asebo igochiro chinyinge cha magendro chiacho ko bachigwikiranirwa ritkoriangyo
ibageri kumkaribisha rais wetu wa taifa Dr. William Samoei Ruto huku Nyamira and especially huku kwetu Sironga katika ward ya Bogichora. Tuna matumaini mengi president akikuja atafungua, ataweka jiwe la kwanza la kuanzisha utengenezaji wa industrial park ambayo tunatumaini sana itasaidia watu wetu hasa vijana kupata kazi. Kwa hivyo mimi kama kiongozi mdogo nachukua nafasi kumkaribisha rais wetu ili atusaidie kwa haya maendeleo.
Ndemo Steven Noagete ekambi me county ya Nyamira agendera kwa gutubwatukira amange anene amariganyo haye omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto ime ye county ya Nyamira tokwera na gocha e county ya Kisii asomoroberi wa morokererigo yokoena na oboseme no bumanyigochia ase abaremi ime county ya Kisii anyara kwa gocha kali tuko lialero ime skuru yebamura ya Kisii amorokereri ye aranyara kwa kwera lituko elimuniganyare kwa koleta ababwatani abo boremi gati yabo gwetania abaremi chiri bubere korwa se constituency chonsi kiandeme county ya Kisii abanyara kwa goikira nagwo asabate birebuna amarigania yogo samagiria yo nigara chikobaga koene kiebuna nyare kobaga gosira anene kerengo kirigesa asoboremi bwabo bwakira lituko.
Tumetayarisha maonyesho ya kilimo ambayo tunaita Kisii Farmers Expo. Itafanyika leo siku moja kuanzia mwendo wa saa 2 hadi mwendo wa saa 9. Lengo kuu la hii expo ni kuhamasisha wakulima kuhusu mambo ya how to better mitigate the risks in the agri-space na how to better also commercialize the agri-space industry na also to create those linkages between the producers, the service providers and the farmers. So we have over 30 companies that are participating today. They will be the ones who will be taking the farmers through the training. Each training is 30 minutes. Once they're done with one company, they go to another company as they go through the whole day. Yes.
Mnapotangamana na wakulima ili kufanya kongamano kama hili, labda wakulima huwa wanasema changamoto ambazo zinawakumba ni kama.
So changamoto ambayo wakulima huwa wanakuwa nayo sana unakuta ni ile information ambayo wataalamu
Limoro sana tokoika ime county Nyandarua somora ibwense Dr. William Ruto anyara kwa bakora etaro ya bene guchase county eyo elio koneke ngonyale kwa bagwikirania emerobelio ya magendero a serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yanyalete kwa bage koliera aba Kenya chira agati yabo abamenyi be county Nyandarua gagukwana kurwa senseme yo nigo Dr. William Ruto atabiringa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ne nagosemelia inga ase myake 5 ere mutwe chira chospicha magendero nyare ko bachigo ikiranigwa elio keramo Kenya anyare ko bakwenekia munyare ko bagwitabirana amono bokoreri no boteneri ba serikali iyo ya Kenya Kwanza.
Sasa tumeweka pesa bilioni 260 ambayo tutatumia katika hizi mabarabara zetu. Na sasa tunakusanya ushuru, ndio nimekuja hapa leo. Hii barabara yenu kutoka maili 10 hapo kuja Subuku kuja hapa Shamata kwenda mpaka Kariamu, hii barabara tutatengeneza. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie mwaka 1.5 itakamilika, mimi nitakuja hapa kufungua. Tunaelewana? Na hawa waheshimiwa wameniambia ikifika pale Kaka ipelekwe kwa hospitali. So, Katondo. Mali inaitwa Katondo mali fulani hapo. So, na nimekubali, wacha iende kwa hospitali. Tunaelewana? Na hapa pia katika town yenu hii ya Shamata tuzungushe hii barabara ya lami hapa town ikae chonjo. Tumekubaliana? Na vile vile nimesema kwa hii program pia tujenge soko hapa Shamata. Tuwe na soko mzuri ambaye itatumika, na nimeambia mjumbe wenu afanye kazi na watu hawa barabara na pia wizara yetu ya mambo ya housing na market ndio tuweze kuwajengea soko hapa Shamata. Na hiyo soko ni kazi kidogo. Hii soko isingoje barabara. Hii soko miezi 2-3 iwe imekamilika, ndio hawa mama waendelee na biashara, tupeleke taifa letu la Kenya mbele.
Etogoska mote bono nigo Amfre Mulongo anyale ko bagagotiani gwabuna omoteneri omoye bweke ombekeri gyo kurusie bango mense ya Kenya KRA elianyale ko bagagochaka emeremo yaye asenchira ya beno moye gonyara ko bagokorekana imeyo mochi o Nairobi nigo Mulongo anyale ko bagakoira libaga aliaye oyakarekire githimbugo yonyale ko bagwetigia emeremo korwa sobokoreri buboteneri obwa KRA omotinyo kabere omwakoyo nonye nabo nigo Mulongo anyale ko koria chira chia bene na koene kibuna na chikoba gwikirania emeroberio ayobokoreri bwekiombekio gya kiare.
Of the Kenya Revenue Authority do swear that I will be true and faithful to the best of my ability and power in the execution of the trust committed to my charge and inspection in the service of the Kenya Revenue Authority.
What it takes for this very heavy responsibility. These jobs look glamorous from outside, but in the inside it's different, but we can only assure you of
Nere omonaji ebina omonene Martha Koome nigori tukoria rira nyarako bagochakia omoroberi obene abwekerero bokwenekia buna onyarire ko bagokogacha chief file gwetera senchira area yeke digital ase ekegambero ekemo ime ya county ya Mandera gagokwana kurwasi Chinsa mecho nigo Martha Koome boiganyare ko bagagosira omoroberi bokoyagana amangana gose ogotaigwana na okugogotumeka ase enchera area ya Somalia satebire nigo moroberio iyo nyare ko bagokoreta Amayia anene guchia segesaku kerikia ba Somalia.
This approach broadens our perception of justice, accommodating alternative forms of dispute resolution that can often be more effective, more reconciliatory, and efficient when we become the solutions to the problems that we encounter, because at the end of the day, we know how those problems came about.
The scale of this initiative bears tremendous significance. Establishing a work called sub-registry will undoubtedly eliminate the challenges faced by individuals who in the past had to undertake extensive journeys of almost 600 kilometers to Garissa High Court stations and to High Court stations in Garissa or Marsabit for addressing legal matters within the High Court jurisdiction.
Nere waziri boborendi boimeki thire kindi kinigatebiro boruku obokurumi obwanyareko bokorekana ase chiabisi chirie chukonganya gose immigration imeyo mucho Nairobi na chocheire gose obokurumi obuna bwanyareko bokoirera obokoreri obobe ase sector eyo bweri kibwa bantu naboigo ekera bantu bagene toko bakwerikia ensemo ye chief passport gagokwana ase bunge enene magigayo komerana amane committee enene ya bunge igoro yoburendi boime nigo kithure kindiki boganyare ko bakoenekeria ba Kenya buna bisia ene chikoboge koenekia buna nyare ko bakoleto bo koleri botoereru asamagacho ario Anyayo House.
We had a problem. The Department of Immigration did not have appropriations in aid. It was generating a lot of income, but it goes to Treasury, and they are left there. They can't buy even a printer worth 100 million, yet they are producing nearly 20 billion a year. So we have got some appropriations in aid now. We are increasing the capacity, and I believe by the next, when I give my next public accountability statement in a month's time, I will have reports on where we are. We will clear that backlog, and we will turn, while the ID might take up to 21 days because of maybe special security procedures, the passport must take.
Ase chinga kichintambe anenorogongoro Rift Valley ni urwanyare ko baroko orora chise gikubatekana na ebisa kwebinyate ko babikomenyororo litko liarero ababwatani abagati yabo abatugibe nibo naboigo abo bisabe serikali ene nigo bwanyara ko baba komera na babwatani korwa ase chi county cha West Pokot Turkana na Elgeyo Marakwet lebanyare ko bagukwanera amanga yenyare ko bagakoenekia bunanyare ko bagakoreta chisegi asenseme bagukwana mone chinyumba choburaria nigo babwatani abatebire ngabaranyare ko bakwere bitambukero inde banyare ko bagosonsorana na kwenekia buna chisegi ichu chenyare ko bachiko base chinsemese chinga kichintampe chenyare ko ba chigotigu wali morioka.
Tukutane hapa ili wale wafugaji waweze kupata nafasi ya moja kwa moja wenyewe wazungumze na waweze kupatana. Wanasema kwamba wazungumzao ndio wapatanao. Kwa hivyo ni kama hatujawapatia muda kwa muda mwingi. Wale tumekuwa tukiwaita katika mikutano kama hizi ni watu ambazo pengine hawahusiki moja kwa moja.
Ukweli kwa hizi communities ukisikia community ya Waturkana, Pokot na hata Marakwet. Kwa sababu ya hiyo uhasama tumebaki nyuma sana. Hii ni community ambao wanategemea wanyama na wamekuwa wakihamahama na wanyama hawajasomesha, wengi wao hawajasomesha watoto wao.
People are now coming together, but we have also gone several further steps were existing always, all methods to bring back peace between these two communities, and that's why we are bringing together here today the people from Baringo County, people from Elgeyo Marakwet County, from West Pokot and Turkana, the 4 counties.
Etogosuka motwe abana bare ise miaka 5 kurwase county ya Garissa nigo banyarekoba bagochakiwa anene konyora echanjo y'uburiri buri bwa polio gagochakia omoroberi bw'echanjo omugabana bwe county eyo ya Garissa Jamar Nathif niganyarekoba gakobori abayibori bonse ababwata abana ise miaka 5 banyarekoba bagosokia abana buna kweneke bura banyarekoba bagonyora echanjo eyo ya polio.
Team, you really need to dedicate serious health workers to propagate, to ensure that this campaign is taken very well to the villages, so that our people can be well informed about it. If you need support with that, let us know. But make sure that there is enough information, there is enough propagation of this very, very important.
Let us make effort to vaccinate children in hard-to-reach and security-compromised areas with these vaccines. To our communities, I would like to assure you that the polio vaccine and indeed other vaccines are safe and they will protect the children from paralysis and health.
Ensa eya mone Chinsa isato chialero butukongomerana murenere valini osero aso koletera ayamuna yanda manga gende tokoba kwariganira kurwa semesa yaito yamayena wikira umwancho mulire bigata seniki Ndizi TV no togwikira omwelio bwa mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi senchira yo bwenga tigangira ibagire gwakira ngambia muna sengencho yokweneke buna kwanyare kobogosanga amana intwe Amayia na buigo emerobiri tugenda tukoba tukwariganiria kurwa segeta seniki Ndizi TV reterana nigogoro kwa Josephat Amisi no boigo ulionyara kobaga kweneke chibi cha munelio cyago cyira senchere boikira nigakorgo abigari enchama nakoganeirie oburigerio buya bwemerobelio ekobwatia imegeta seniki Ndizi TV.